Hey y'all, and welcome to the Lopsided Crafter Loom Knitting channel. My name is Erica, and this is my channel where I share all of my loom knitting adventures, chaos, and sometimes a little lopsidedness. Premier has new yarn color packs. That's right. Premier now has 2 new color packs in their everyday anti-pilling acrylic DK yarn. These 2 packs are a little sampling of what you can expect from this anti-pilling DK. And let me tell you, it is super soft. I got the pastel colors, so I'm going to go over these with you today. There is an affiliate link below that will take you to the new arrivals that Premier has to offer. I do earn commission off of those links if you purchase. It's no extra charge to you. Just know that I do earn commission. And by doing that, it allows me to be able to provide videos to you for this channel. This is super duper soft. And we are going to make something very special as a channel with this yarn. The box itself includes 400 grams of yarn, 1,080 yards, and each ball of yarn is 20 grams and 54 yards. It is 100% anti-pilling acrylic. So what that means is if you've ever used acrylics and after you wash it, it gets like those little fuzzies, that's called pilling. And this yarn is not supposed to do that. As I said, I got the pastels. There's 2 different packs. The one that I chose, and then there is also one that has more bright colors. I am going to go over each color with you. They are not labeled on each individual ball, but they do have it on their website. This is the color white, cream, African violet, cappuccino, cloudy day, blush, rose, terracotta. Now you know how I love these fall colors. This one is sky, porcelain blue, cadet blue, meadow, which kind of reminds me of a sage color, peach blossom, straw, almond, yellow, clover, chartreuse, butter, and last but not least, khaki. Beautiful colors within this box. And I, my friends, have a new project that we are going to be making together. Remember a couple days ago when I said I was working on something very exciting in the background? This is it. So click on that link, get your yarn, because we are going to be making something very special. This is one thing that we are going to be making as a channel. I've got another thing coming as well. On top of our socks that we are already making, this is going to be something fun. I will have a full tutorial. We are going to be making a blanket, and it's going to be somewhat of a mystery, but it's going to be fun. So grab that yarn. I am still working on the actual gauge swatch, so I will let you know in a future video which gauge loom that we are going to use. This will give you a little bit of time to gather your supplies. You don't have to use this yarn if you do not want to. If you choose to, I would appreciate if you do click on that link. As I said, it does help my channel and does allow me to create these video tutorials for you. Okay, guys, I think that is about all I've got. But I want to know, what were you doing while watching this video? Were you drinking an iced coffee? Because, wow, it is hot here in South Carolina today. I am drinking an unsweet tea from Raising Cane's. So good. And working on that stitch pattern graph that will be coming with this yarn soon. Okay, guys, let me know below. And until next time, stay happy, stay chaotic, a little lopsided, and may all your socks find their matches. Bye.